give a fuck about these niggas over talking shit. Yeah, I'm on some devil shit. I got your bitch inside my bed, she suck my dick just like it take. I fuck her like some politics, I need to get more guala quick. Heard your pockets full, so I'ma go and rob a bitch. I don't need a feel, all I need is lean, pure codeine. I don't need a heal, all I need is green, potent dreams. Get him on his heels, we gon' stretch and make him bleed. Yeah, we shoot to kill, we leave bodies in the street. I'ma make it by myself, motherfuck the industry. I'm a sinner, I might burn in hell, fuck the ministry. I ain't crippin', I ain't bloodin', bitch, I'm fucking dogging out this motherfucking. I might cause a ruckus, rolling with the pump and feel you while we bustin'. I might need some Robitussin, smoking weed, I'm losing focus. Hope nobody notice, feeling wavy like the ocean. Go and pour me up a potion, got a notion that you fucking told it. Now we got a case to face. I'm real, do you realize, yeah, I'm out of place. My wallet's so fat, yeah, it's out of shape, yeah, it's out of shape. Bitch, I wipe my ass with 10K every other day. Bitch, I'm getting cash, yeah, them brags like it's on display. We been going bag, never getting flash, roll with K's. All my homies that with some cash in a fucking cane. Yeah, we smoking Swisses, but I ain't being sweet. Niggas talking trash on his ass, kill him on his feet. She just got a bag in a pack, you know they Gucci. I just told my scout, check it out, tell me what you see. Give a fuck about these niggas over talking shit. Yeah, I'm on some devil shit. I got your bitch inside my bed, she suck my dick just like a tick. I fuck her like some politics, I need to get more guala quick. Heard your pockets full, so I'ma go and rob a bitch. Got a boy.